Welcome back. Now that you have successfully registered an MSA Online individual profile, you will be able to use all the features of the MSA Online system. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of applying for the motorsport licenses offered by MSA. Please note that you must be a member of an MSA-affiliated club before the system will make the license application function available to you. You can view the other tutorials available to guide you through the other features available on MSA Online. You are now on your MSA Online individual dashboard. You will notice that there is a tick on the Join a Club button confirming that you are a member of an MSA-affiliated club. You are now ready to apply for the various licenses offered by MSA. Let's get started. Click on the License Application button. You now have two options: apply for a competition license or an eSIM license. In years past, you would have to use two different methods to obtain these licenses, but MSA Online has integrated these licenses into the same portal in 2025. The steps to acquire an annual competition license and a one-event competition license are identical until you arrive at the step that you build your license. Let's walk you through the annual competition license. Click on the Competitor License Application button. MSA Online uses a workflow to guide you through the competition license application process. In the first step of the workflow, your beneficiary information is required, which is the information for your next of kin. In the case of a minor, which is any person under the age of 18, the next of kin is the parent or guardian, in which case their information is required. MSA Online will only display the parent/guardian tick box for consent if the system age of the profile holder is under 18 years of age. Please complete all the mandatory information and click on the Next button. Next, you must input your emergency contact information. If this person is the same as your beneficiary or next of kin, simply click on the Same as Beneficiary Details tick box, and the system will auto-populate the information for you. The following two steps require your acceptance and confirmation of the indemnity agreement and code of conduct. First, you must confirm your acceptance of MSA's indemnity agreement by clicking on the Confirm and Continue button. Then you must confirm your acceptance of MSA's Code of Conduct by clicking on the Confirm and Continue button. The next step is the medical declaration, where you must indicate if you have any of the medical conditions listed by clicking on the Yes tick box next to the respective medical condition. You can select one or multiple medical conditions. Another new feature in MSA Online is the uploading of your medical clearance documentation. For every medical condition indicated, you will be required to attach a copy of the relevant medical clearance certificate from your medical practitioner or specialist. The system will automatically display the document uploader. If you do not select any of the medical conditions, the system will not display the document loader. To continue, click on the Confirm and Continue button. If you have a medical condition and have uploaded your medical clearance documentation, then you will not be able to go any further for the moment. MSA will review the documentation provided and clear you to complete your license application. After MSA has reviewed your documentation, you will receive an email informing you of the outcome. If declined, the email will specify the reasons for your further action. Once approved, you will be able to continue with your competition license application. Another new feature for MSA Online in 2025 is the Garage. MSA requires you to upload the details of the vehicle you intend competing in for the first competition license purchased. You will be able to upload as many vehicles as you intend to participate in at any stage, which will be covered later in this tutorial. MSA will be assigning a competition number to each vehicle that you participate in. You can also upload an image of your vehicle. Please complete all the mandatory fields and click Next. In the next 2 steps, you will build your annual competition license. Let's walk you through the process of applying for an annual license. From the drop-down boxes, please select the license type, followed by the license category. Then select the annual option and select the license status. MSA Online will automatically filter the license options available based on the type, category, and status that you have selected. Click on the Next button. MSA Online will then display all the annual license classes available to you based on the specific class requirements. The system will only make classes available based on age and gender requirements. There are 2 scenarios if the class that you have selected has examination requirements based on first-time license application. The system will display a message on screen. Click Proceed. MSA will email you the examination to write, and if you pass the examination, MSA Online will allow you to proceed further. If there are no examination requirements for the class selected, you can click Proceed. If there is an examination required, you will see this message. After you have passed your examination, you will receive an email from MSA. You can then log in to MSA Online and continue. If there is no examination required or you have passed the examination, you can click the Proceed button for the class of license you have selected. Now you must select an insurance options from the options available. MSA Online will display a summary or the license and insurance options selected and the total price you will be required to pay. You can navigate back if you want to change anything by clicking on the Back button. If everything is correct, click on the Pay Now button. You will be directed to the Pay Gate to select a payment method and enter your card information as you would do for any online purchases. Please complete the payment. If your payment was successful, you will be redirected to your license management list. From here, you can view all your licenses and the invoices for payments made. Click on the eye icon to view your license and on the page icon to view the invoice. You can view and download the invoice for the license issued. You can view and download the license issued. And there you have it. You have successfully applied for and purchased an annual competition license on MSA Online. We trust that this tutorial was helpful, and please view all the other tutorials available to assist you to use MSA Online.